To replace the right side door handle on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Open the refrigerator door and use the 2.5mm Allen wrench to loosen the set screw, securing the top of the handle. Once loosened, you can lift the old handle up to detach. Before you attempt to install the new door handle, loosen the set screw in the handle. And confirm the two mounting posts are tight. Align the new handle on the lower mounting post. Then shift the handle down and align it on the upper post. Tighten the set screw to secure.